Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned about Bootstrap breakpoints. We understood what breakpoints are and how they help us create responsive website. Today, we will see breakpoints practically. We will create a simple card layout and see how it changes on mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. So let's get started. I'll create the container inside the body, div, giving it class name container, margin top 5. Adding here row, div, class name is row. Inside this div, I'm adding column, class name col, card first, div, class name dg success, text white, padding 3. Copy this card, paste here 1 and 2. Here I am using some Bootstrap utility class like TextWhite, BG Primary, and P3. Don't worry about these classes for now. I'm using them only to make the example look better. We will learn these utility classes in detail in upcoming videos. Right now, our focus is understanding breakpoints. Save the file and refresh the browser, see output. You can see all three cards are appearing in one row. This is because we are using the call class. Now let's make this layout responsive using breakpoints. Now replace call with SM6. Copy this, paste here. Refresh the browser and resize the screen. Right click, inspect. See here, when the screen is smaller than 576, the card takes full width. When the screen reaches the small breakpoint, each card takes 6 columns. Bootstrap has a 12 column grid, so 6 columns out of 12, 50% width. That's why 2 cards appears in one row. Now let's use multiple breakpoint classes together. Replace with col 12, col-md 6, and col-lg 4. Copy this and paste here. Let's understand this col 12. On mobile screen, the card takes full width, so we get one card per row. Col MD6. On medium screen, the card takes 6 columns, so we get 2 cards per row. Col LG4. On large screen, the card takes 4 columns, so we get 3 cards per row. Now save and resize the browser. See, mobile 1 card, tablet 2 card, and desktop 3 card. This is how Bootstrap breakpoints make website responsive. So today we practically learn how Bootstrap breakpoints work. We use col-sm6, col-md6, col-lg4 and created a responsive layout. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.